Hey boys, today my dad came to me asking for a full service on his car, and what son am I to say no? So basically, full service means changing the oil, oh boy, and all the filters. And the dealer was asking for about 400 for changing all of this, and I got them for 170, and we'll see how hard it is to change them. Now my guess is that it's not actually that hard to change them, and 400 is way overpriced, but I guess we're gonna see. So let's start. First thing, open the hood, and what you want to look at here is the oil cap and the air filter. This is what you're gonna find under the hood most of the times. The air filter on the most Dacias are notoriously easy to change. You've only got two clips, here, one here, and you just slide it out. Now, unfortunately, this is the only easy part. Now that it's out, you want to take it out, look at how much dirtier it is, throw it, get one new one right in, and slide it back. It's that easy. In my case, the air filter is all I can change from up here. But what you want to do before finishing with the hood, you want to open the oil cap, right? Take the cap off. This is a cap and this dipstick combo, and cover the engine hole with some rag so you don't get bird poop in, I guess. I don't know. So now we've got three more filters. Where do they go? The diesel filter actually goes here, so I'm gonna have to take the wheel out so I can get the wheel arch out, and that's the only way I can reach it. This is actually the hardest filter to change on any Dacia, as it's annoying as hell. Next we've got the oil filter, which is underneath the shield right here, and we're gonna need to take that out so we can reach it. And lastly, the pollen filter, which is somewhere underneath here, behind the passenger seat, and this is also going to be a fun one. So we start off by breaking loose the lug bolts in order to jack up the car. Start lifting the car until the wheel floats just like this. Then get your jack stand underneath, and there we go. If you don't have jack stands, you're better off not jacking up the car itself at all and trying to work underneath it, because these scissor jacks are dangerous, really dangerous, so don't try that. Repeat on the other side, and once you've got a floater, you're ready. And now we finally get to remove stuff, starting with the wheel. Wheels out, and we've got access to where the fuel filter is. Now, I don't like changing the fuel filter, it's annoying, so I'm gonna start with the oil filter, change the oil, finish with the oil, and leave this for last. So get to removing the shield. It's not that bad, it's a couple 10 millimeters, and that's about it. There we go. Welcome to one of the reasons everyone hates working on Dacias. They seem to find a reason to make new pieces just to get a regular piece job. So what we have here is a drain plug, right? And instead of being a, I don't know, 15 millimeter, 19 even, it's a square insert. So that's fun. We're gonna have to make our own. And by being nice to a big ratchet extension, I managed to make it fit. This already took too much time. it looks like this. It's working at least. So now let's get to the oil change. Get yourself a tub, at least 5 liters, and let's open the drain plug. There we go. Let's go, boys. Let it fully drain, put the bolt back, and make sure you torque it to spec. Now onto the oil filter. Break it loose, and now that it's out, you wanna take out the old filter and put in the new. Push it down and be very careful. You want to change the O-ring right here. Alright, put in the new one. God damn. Stretch it, I don't know. And there we go. It's ready to be put back. Put the filter back on, check twice that everything is tight, and you can finally put some oil in. And now on to the diesel filter. You want to take the arch out, and here's the goddamn fuel filter. So you're gonna need to get these 10 millimeters out, and then you finally have access to it. Alright, now that the shroud is off, you can access the filter. You can see there are 2 hoses, an in and an out. I don't know which one is which. And you've got this connector. Now, to open them, you push on the green things, right? It's got it on either side. And here you push on the white stuff. So I'm gonna take this out first, and so I can make space to pull this out and the connector. Now after everything's been disconnected, you still have this thing. You just want to unscrew it. It's hand tight, and there is also an O-ring that needs to be changed here. You want to be careful because diesel will flow everywhere. And here's the O-ring that needs to be changed. Now you can put the old filter back on, put everything back, and we're basically ready to finish. Now couple the contact a couple of times, and make sure it starts. Leave it for a while and make sure there are no leaks, no diesel leaks, no oil leaks, nothing. You want everything to be clean, and after that you can put everything back together. So let's do that, and let's get to the pollen filter. Now onto the pollen filter. Pull the seat as back as it goes. Oh, so you make yourself some space here. On my dad's car, the pollen filter is right here. It's this tab hidden. It's quite easy to access, so yeah, no troubles there. So there we go, boys. Service finished. I'm gonna need to reset the oil lamp now, but that's not too hard either. So, is it worth it? Is it even worth it doing your own service? I mean, it's best you research what kind of car you have and what kind of tools you need, because if you need any special tools, it can get a bit expensive and make it not worth it. Now, most cars are really easy to work on and don't need much more than basic keys. So just try it. It's fun. It takes a couple of hours and it's not easy, but you save some money. And most of the times it's worth it. Plus you develop a nice relationship with your car. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time. God bless.